Hi, Douglas Simonson here, coming to you from Mexico with a drawing demonstration. Today I'm going to be doing a drawing called Born in Brazil. This is Jefferson, whom I photographed back in 2022 in Brazil. I have recently done a couple of drawings using what I call the scribble hatching technique, but both of them used my newest model, Juan Pablo, and I wanted to do one with Jefferson. So I went through our many photographs from our Brazil sessions, and I settled on this one. Here it is in black and white, and here is the tweaked version. I always tweak the image in Photoshop to make it easier to draw or paint from. In this case, it's in black and white, so the Photoshop tweak is making it a lot easier to see the areas of light and dark. I have a standard set of tweaks I apply in Photoshop to get this result. And if you want to know more about that, there is a video on this channel that will explain it to you. And while I'm drawing, I'm going to be referring to both the original version and the tweaked version. As I said, I'm going to be using a technique, pencil technique I call scribble hatching. I've recently done a couple of videos about that, and I'll put links to them in the description so you can find out more about that. But basically, it's just cross hatching, but instead of keeping it tight and consistent, I go a little crazy and I scribble a lot while still trying to keep it more or less realistic. But this technique has a lot more energy and excitement for me, and it's a lot more fun to do, although I still do the tight, consistent version as well sometimes. Anyway, that's what you're going to see in today's drawing demonstration. So if you're ready, let's draw. And there is the final drawing. I call it Born in Brazil. It's still available at the time of this video. And if you go to my website, you may see it popping up in one of the exhibitions. I have a lot of galleries on my website, and each one has a different exhibition with a different theme and a different medium going on at any given time. So you might see it popping up in one of the exhibitions. But if you don't want to wait for it to show up in an exhibition and you'd just like to know if it's still available, go to my website and use the search function. Just put in Born in Brazil and it may pop up, and it may show up sold and it may not show up at all. But it may still be available, so that's what to do to find out. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this drawing come together. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please do. That inspires me to do more videos. And if you got a little inspired today watching me draw, great! Sharpen your pencils and go draw. Magic could happen.